So welcome to another episode of Explore. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but today I'm really excited to be in a place that I absolutely love visiting. It's called Antalya. It's not just a modern city, which you'll see. On the other side of me is the modern city, but then there is a very special place in the heart of Antalya called Old Town, and behind me is Hadrian's Gate. Let's go and explore. So Antalya is not just 2,000 years old, but it's also a tourist mecca, which is why you're going to find a lot of hotels and a lot of traders that are showing off their wares, Turkish traditional goods, and of course Turkish baths as well. So Kaleiçi is a mashup of civilizations: Roman foundations, Byzantine traces, Seljuk influence, Ottoman houses, and you can literally point to layers of empires like historical lasagna as the influences in this beautiful old town took shape and as power was handed from one to the other, sometimes not peacefully. This is the hotel that I'm staying at, the El Paso Hotel, one of the biggest hotels in Old Town Antalya, 160 rooms. I mean, from the outside it doesn't really look like it has that many rooms, but inside it's like a maze of hotel rooms everywhere. No shortage of places to go and enjoy a cocktail or a beer. You might just come here later. The Old House Pub and Hotel. And we can sneak a little look inside there. It looks amazing. We're talking about those residences, and here you can see some of the people that live in Old Town Antalya. Little roads everywhere, little shops everywhere. It's absolutely stunning. If you think that this was built, as we've said already, 2,000 years ago, this is absolutely amazing. Every now and then you come across a villa like that. It kind of makes you wonder who had the money to buy that. One of the features of Old Town Antalya is the Ottoman houses with wooden bay windows and whitewashed walls. They weren't just built like that to look stylish, they were built like that to maintain airflow and to keep the homes cool in the summer, warm in the winter. So it's kind of like climate control well ahead of its time. It's quite interesting, the Dublin Inn. So we've seen the old pub, now we have the Dublin Inn. I would imagine a great place for Irish people to come have a beer. One of the things I like about Turkey is because of where it's located geographically, it is kind of a blend of cultures between European culture and Middle Eastern culture. And those two cultures collide in a beautiful way. Turkish people are very friendly, very straightforward though. They're going to tell you what they think. They're never going to lie to you. They'll tell you straight up what they think. But they are welcoming and they're friendly. And if you make a friend with a Turkish person, you have a friend for life. I've been coming to Turkey for the past 10 years. And I'm amazed at how the friends I've made in Turkey will be friends for life. Look at you, darling. Have a very good life here in Antalya, well, in Turkey. Then again, I don't think the dogs struggle too much either. Beautiful. So I don't know if you can tell, but off in that direction is the new part of the city, modern Turkey. And then this section over here is Antalya, Old Town. That's a pretty good example of the bay window, the wooden bay window and the whitewashed walls that we were talking about. Another one of the hotels. And there's a modern hotel. I've been there before at Mono Terrace. We went for cocktails there once. I mean, you sit up there, you can see the entire bay. Stunning. Sounds like fun. Tipsy. Old Town Terrace Bar. Sounds awesome. Not every day you see that, right? This is obviously something that's been torn down and there's a boat. They tore the house down and left the boat. One of the things I like to do on the Explore series, we've been in South Africa, we've been in France, we've been in Italy, we went to Venice, which was amazing. Now we're here in Turkey going through Old Town Antalya. But one of the things I like to see is just the culture shining through. I mean, there's a lot of aspects to every country that have a westernized kind of way of life about them, but some countries manage to maintain their culture in amongst all of that, and Turkey's one of those. You're going to find a lot of Western culture type things here, but you're also going to find strong Turkish culture wherever you look. It's fine, don't stress. Okay, well, back at my hotel. That was just a little short walk around Old Town Antalya, just to show you some of the sights that you see here in Antalya. It really is quite amazing. I mean, Antalya itself is a pretty large city. Lots of people, lots of hustle, lots of bustle, lots of shopping, especially women's clothing. For some reason, if you want to buy women's clothing at a really good price, you need to come to Turkey and come to Antalya. Men's clothing, not so much. I don't think it's fair. But if you want to come to Turkey and you're in the Antalya region, you need to come to Old Town and just walk around. Don't do it as fast as I did though. Take your time, explore, sit down, have a coffee in the morning, walk around, find a nice restaurant. There are tons of great restaurants in Old Town, and have some lunch, and then especially be here as the sun sets, because this whole place transforms when the sun goes down with all the beautiful little street lights. It just comes alive and becomes something completely different to what it is during the day. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and if you like the channel, give us a subscribe. We do everything on this channel, from sports events to travel to exploring places around the world. We just, wherever I go, take my camera with me and film it. Not doing it for the money, doing it for the love and the fact that I get to travel and experience these beautiful places. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.